Well, welcome to village life, and I am in a vegetable field, and there are a lot of vegetable fields around of me. It's morning time, and you know, morning is the good time to work in, and to exercising. And I am making video, and I'm gonna show the vegetable field. Here is a beside of me. Here is a big tomato vegetable field. Some of people are working. They're taking tomato for sale. And both side of me, actually left side of me, here is another tomato vegetable field. And I'm going to showing the natural beauty. Let me show the another natural place, as I'm having wonderful environment. Actually, I'm enjoying the natural beauty, and I'm enjoying the morning environment and village life. I have been living here a long time, and I also love this kind of natural place. Have a look. Here is another tomato field. There are a lot of tomato on every tree, and I'm going to talk in the another, I'm going to another vegetable field. Here is over there. Maybe here is a green chili vegetable, green chili field. Yes. Every morning time, actually there are 2 million people in this live in this village, and they are also farmers. Some of people are worker, and they also try to work in the morning time in his vegetable field, in his own business. So I'm enjoying with natural beauty. I'm enjoying showing this village life, village place. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. See you again.